what a beautiful day. The sun has finally arrived in England. It has been glorious this whole week. And today's recipe is one that you can make on a barbecue if you have one. Otherwise, just head to the oven and make it in there. It is 30-minute Indian. Thank you for all the comments about how much you're enjoying this series of 30-minute Indian, and the book is finally out in the US and Canada. Yay! So the recipe that I made for today is cheese and chili naan, and it is such a fantastic easy recipe. And if you can't believe that you can make a delicious naan in 30 minutes, then I definitely challenge you to do that, because you can. Right, so I recorded this recipe yesterday, so let me take you to the kitchen. So I've got 200 grams of just plain flour. Going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar. Just give it a mix. Then I'm going to add 70 grams of just natural yogurt. And then I've got some around 60 to 70 ml of water, but I won't add all together. Just mix it a little. And then add little water at a time, because we might not need all of it. Just so I haven't used all of it. There's like a teaspoon left in here. And I'll just knead it for a few seconds. This is the kind of dough where you don't need like a big machine, and just by hand is the best. And then I'm just gonna take some sunflower oil in my hands and just gonna cover and let this rest for 10 minutes while I prepare the filling. So I've got 100 grams of cheddar cheese for the filling. Just gonna grate it, not very fine. And then also got 50 grams of mozzarella cheese. Just going to grate that as well, or you can just stir it. That's it. Just got a handful of fresh coriander. Add that as well. And one green chili. You can use chili to your taste. I like this one. It's got a lovely little, it's got some heat in it, and it's lovely. So that dough has rested, and I've got enough dough to make 5 naans. So just gonna get, 4 naans. Just gonna take one at a time. Get some flour on the surface so it doesn't stick, and I'm going to roll this just 3 to 4 inches. So put the mixture here, mix it up. So that's the filling. I'm going to divide that into 4 portions as well, roughly. And then this goes in the center here. Just going to pinch it all up. And then a little bit more flour. And then going to roll this. This is, you can shape it as however you like. Round, square. Rectangle, oval. That's a good size. I'm just going to put this on a baking sheet. Just going to put some flour so it doesn't get stuck. Just going to put the naan in there, and it goes under a hot grill.
For another minute.
Look at that. And after cooking a minute on this side, just turn it over and cook on the other side for another minute as well. And that's it. Cooked on the other side as well. Just going to put this here and put some butter on top. And that is quite a key point, to put some butter straight away. Look at that smoke, look at that cheese oozing out. Absolutely gorgeous. And here is the cheese and chili naan. You saw it took absolutely just minutes, and I have got here the tamarind aubergine curry, which I have already shared with you, so you can find the recipe on the channel. And here I have got coconut paneer tikka. This is also on the channel, so you can find both the recipes on the channel, and all these 3 recipes are in 30-minute Indian. I will leave the links to the book as well, and that's it. So it's just easy, and it's sitting out for 1 minute, and I just want to show how gorgeous this naan is. Just beautiful cheese oozing out. Got to have a bite, Helena. I've added no salt in the mix because cheddar cheese is so salty in its own. You can serve this with absolutely any curry of your choice, any dish of your choice. Or as my kids like to eat it, they just want the cheese naan on its own. They don't want to eat it with anything, which is absolutely fine. So I hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with a brand new recipe. Bye guys.